नमस्कार मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहे UGC नीट आणि MS सेटसाठी अत्यंत आवश्यक असणारा पेपर 1 मधील टीचिंग कन्सेप्ट आणि ऑब्जेक्टिव्ज। तर आपण सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। टीचिंग अँड कन्सेप्ट। Teaching is a complex process that brings a socially described behavioral changes in a person. In traditional concept, teaching is the act of imparting structure to the learner in the classroom situation. But in modern concept, teaching is to causes the people to learn and acquire the desired knowledge, skill, and also describe a way of living in society. It is a process in which learner, teachers, curriculum, and other variables are organized in systematic and psychological way to attain some predetermined goals. Then teaching concept कोणते आहेत ते बघूया। Teaching is a part of the teaching learning process. It is required to bring specific language in the person according to the need of the society and environment in which he is living. Teaching is not a act as it is a dynamic in nature, so it is turned to the process. It is also not a fundamental concept. It is greatly influenced by social and human factors. Some expert views about teaching concept. Rayburn views teaching is the relationship which keeps the child to develop all his power. Burton views teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning. Next, Smith's views. In word of B.O. Smith, teaching is a system of action intended to product learning. नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टीचिंग कन्सेप्ट काय तर ते बघूया। मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टीचिंग कन्सेप्ट आर ॲज फॉलोज: टू ब्रिंग डिझायर चेंज these पीपल्स, टू शेप बिहेवियर अँड कंडक्ट acquisition of knowledge, to improve the learning skill of students, formation of a belief. Next, to provide a social and efficient members of society. तर हे झाले ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टीचिंग कन्सेप्टचे। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कॉमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा, त्याचबरोबर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका।